Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm so grateful. In today's video, I want to let you know the secret to manifesting instantly. Anything you want, any desire, anytime and anywhere. Now, what I'm going to tell you is going to sound really simple. So simple that you might not want to do it. And that's the whole catch with this whole concept of deliberate manifestation. Things seem too easy, things seem too simple, and we ourselves overcomplicate these things by over-analyzing them. Now, something I want to remind you before I let you know how you can start manifesting things instantly. You are in control, right? We have said that enough. You are in control. You are the one who can transform the reality outside of you. You are the one who transforms the reality inside of you. You know the drill. Your belief system creates your thoughts, creates your feelings, emotions, changes your state. And finally, when your state changes and matches the desire that you have in your heart, you manifest it in your physical reality, in your 3D reality. So if you are in control, if it's your belief system that's manifesting the life around you, the situations and circumstances around you, if you are the god of your own reality, if you are the one who makes your own rules, how about we start adding one really simple affirmation in our general self-concept techniques, which is, I manifest everything instantly. I manifest everything instantly. Everything, all the opportunities, all the people that are required to move around for my desire to show up in my life, they do move around. People, opportunities, and things always show up for me. It does not matter what I'm trying to manifest, whether it's just an experience, it's a person, it's an opportunity, I always manifest instantly. Now you can go a step ahead and also make it really specific. I manifest anything within days. I manifest anything within few weeks. Whatever you feel comfortable with, because guess what? You are creating the rules here. When we say that your belief system creates your reality, it also implies that if you have a belief around you're not good at manifestation, or everyone else can manifest but you, or you're always able to come till the last point, doing your discipline, doing your techniques, changing your state, but somehow you always get caught in your past behavioral patterns or your past fears, doubts, and triggers. Whatever you're going to believe really strongly that you know that is your truth, that you're grounded in, is what's going to show up outside. So if you just add in this really simple affirmation that you manifest everything instantly, it is a part of your general self-concept, it is a part of your umbrella affirmations. It's going to surpass your limiting beliefs around yourself or any other desired area. So even if you have doubts, even if you have fears around a certain area, again, if it's an experience, a person, or an opportunity, and you really practice the self-concept that anything I want shows up for me, anything I want manifests instantly, it surpasses this fear and doubt in that moment, instantly. If you do not know where to start, the best way is to go general. Really focus on your self-concept, really focus on general affirmations, really focus on umbrella affirmations so they can surpass your really specific doubts and fears around individual desired areas. I want you to try this for the next 15 days. Take it up as a challenge. Add these affirmations, and just for the next 15 days, it's completely fine. You're not losing out on anything. You're not losing out on any opportunity. You're not missing out on anything. That is also a fear you need to get rid of. So for the next 15 days, purely try focusing on your self-concept and general affirmations. That kind of covers, because it's an umbrella, it covers all the desired areas: relationships, career, wealth, health. Create around 4 to 5 affirmations, purely targeting your self-worth, what you deserve, and your self-concept. So these could be, as I mentioned earlier, I manifest everything and everyone instantly. People, opportunities, things, and experiences always show up for me. My will to manifest, my self-concept is always much stronger than any fears or doubts I have. I'm meant to have these people and these opportunities, these things in my life just because this is how it's done. This is my only purpose in life, to desire, create, relish, repeat. Desire, create, relish, repeat. So start saying this affirmation every day. Things always show up for me instantly. I always manifest my desires instantly. My will to manifest always surpasses all the fears and doubts I have. When you keep practicing this, it's going to become so familiar to your subconscious mind that you will start slowly taking on that state and that identity of that person who actually does manifest instantly. It's actually one of their skills to manifest instantly. They never have to wait. They are never impatient. They always trust themselves to manifest instantly. It's as simple as that. If you are the one whose belief system creates everything, your life is operating on your belief system. That's the bottom line. That's what deliberate manifestation is about. So you get to create your own rules. How fantastic is that? You get to create your own rules. You get to make your own rules. You don't have to take anyone else's rules. You don't have to take anyone else's belief. And that comes down to even the smallest things, such as I cannot manifest. It always takes me months and months to manifest. It takes me years to manifest. No, change it completely. It takes me only a few days to manifest anything. Whether it's something small, it's something big. You are the one in charge of your beliefs. So you change that belief and turn it to something that is favorable to you. Try this for the next 15 days and I really want to know what kind of changes you have experienced. Even if it's a small change, that's a great start. Use it as evidence to refuel your belief till it starts impacting your bigger desires. This is the most simple and most impactful, the most effective way of manifestation. So try it out and let me know your success stories in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great week.